back to my channel. This is NK and today we are going to unbox all of the things I ordered for my apartment. I'm finally doing this. I guess I shouldn't even say finally because I literally have only been in the apartment for 3 days. I'm someone who hates clutter and I'm just looking over there. I just have to do something about it. I wanted to do it on camera. That's just more fun. It's like we're hanging out together looking at what I got. I needed some makeup brush cleaners. All this time I've been using my hand to clean them, which is fine, but I wanted to get something a little more legit. I got this 2-pack from Amazon. Most of this stuff is from Amazon. I will link everything down below. If you're curious about anything, go find it there. Circular ice cube trays. I've wanted this for so long. And it comes with this, that's so cute. That makes sense. So you're supposed to fill the water, put them in here, and then when the balls are ready, you pour them in here. I'm hearing a lot about moon juice, and they have a lot of different types of powder. If you're new here, I can't drink caffeine, so I like to find different types of energy sources that don't contain caffeine. This really enticed me. I will try this out and let you know how I like it. It's called Ting, and it's from Moon Juice. This is a diffuser. I got the dark vanilla and sandalwood. Oh, I can already smell it. I'm thinking of putting it in the bathroom. I got the Laundress white detergent for laundry. Looking forward to trying this. Fun opening up presents. They're not presents. I guess they are kind of presents for myself. Look at how cute these glasses are. How stunning. Oh my God. I love shower caddy. Good to install that. My bathroom trash can. How cute and aesthetic. It literally does the like touch to open and close. They also gave me some trash bags. Box number 2. I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting a Shark product because I'm hearing all the hype. And more specifically, I've been wanting a handheld vacuum. Shark silicone hyper velocity power suction cordless vacuum. This is so exciting. This is a very exciting one for my baths that I will be frequently taking. I got a bath tray. And she's stunning and amazing. So excited to use that for baths. My laptop there, put like some wine, some snacks. I have a little moment. I really wanted a cylinder base. I kind of wanted it a little smaller, but I'm gonna see how this works with the flowers. This is a spray mop. I've upgraded from the Swiffer. Excuse me? I can't even tell you what this is. What is this? What did I buy? Oh yeah! I splurged and got this because I've been wanting this for so long. This is kind of something to really help me lean into this new chapter of my life. I bit the bullet and it was actually on sale, but it was still kind of expensive. But anyways, I got the xoxo. This is gonna go in the kitchen and it's gonna be my like little kitchen buddy for like timers and pulling up recipes and music and the vibes. Looking forward to that. There's so many more to go. My furniture, the new furniture, that's gonna be part of the next vlog. Building that furniture over there and then also putting all this away. I bought a new pair of sweatpants. I don't even know if they're my size, but they looked really comfy. Interesting. Can you see that? Influence of TikTok. I got the mask. I got the LED red light therapy mask. It actually does multiple lights. It's red light, blue light. I'm in my self-care era. I'm so focused on taking care of myself, taking care of my skin. We got us some glass straws, new glass straws. Here's the tea. I broke most of mine that I had. Like I had like 5, I broke I think all of them, or broke or cracked all of them. So I was like, let me just start fresh and get a new set. These are oven mittens. They're so freaking cute. Like, are you joking? Like, how cute are these? Magnesium one. I'm gonna make some Sleepy Girl mocktails. I'm thinking of doing like this little Sleepy Girl mocktail series on my TikTok. If you're curious about watching that, go to my TikTok. It's NK Madani. Gloves for doing dishes. Perfection. This is a portable wireless magnetic light. I want I want lights in the kitchen under the cabinets for that nice moody vibe. And this is what it looks like. I got a set of mixing bowls. I've never had like true mixing bowls like that were nice. Like, not wait to cook and bake. Guys, I think I'm gonna be in like this whole new like cooking, baking era. Kitchen utensils set. I thought it was cool that it came with literally everything I might need, everything you can think of. I don't know all the names of these, but it's like spatula, whisk, whatever this tool is, soap dispensers. I've never been the girl who would take the time to put the soap in a true dispenser, and I decided I want to be that girl. I got 2 of these. Stunning, beautiful and amazing, and I'm beautiful and amazing, and I'm so excited. So cute. I just needed a new one of these as well. This is a kitchen sponge holder for the sink. Pretty standard, pretty easy. And I did get another soap dispenser, 1 for the bathroom and then 2 for the kitchen. So yeah, this is just like a nice matte black one. More glassware, stunning. Like, look at how pretty they are. They're so pretty. This is a electric can opener. I've been wanting an electric can opener, and I will tell you why. I have so many pain points around opening things myself. This is what it looks like. It's actually so cute. I love candles. I love aromatherapy, clearly. I love perfume. I love candles. I love scents, like good scents. I've been wanting a candle from this brand for a very long time. I'm in a different era in my life, and I'm really thankful for that. So why not treat myself to like nicer things? Voluspa is the brand. So you probably have heard of these candles. They're very nice. Oh, wow. That smells so good. Is Santal, which I love Santal. Santal, French bourbon, vanilla, and oud. You had me at Santal. This is particularly so special to me. I have wanted Our Place pots pans for years, for literal years. And I was like, okay, I know that they're really nice and I know that they're an investment. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna wait. I always kept on saying, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna wait. And the time is here. How pretty is this pot? I got the color Spice. She's stunning. Here is the other box. So cute. I'm obsessed. Got the other laundress item. This is just for everyday clothing, and it smells really good. The scent is called Isle. Toilet cleaner. This is definitely something that you should replace every apartment that you have, or maybe even more frequently, I don't know. Hello, so stunning. So I got a set of 4 of these stunning glasses. This is a makeup organizer. So this is what, you probably can't even see it, but this is what it's gonna look like. And I'll take you guys through that, like I said, in another vlog. I'm really happy I got to show you guys everything that I have recently purchased for the apartment. Things are gonna slowly come together. The motto for me is, it's okay to take your time, be more patient. Everything's just gonna come together little by little. I'll be so honest, there's a lot that I haven't gotten, and that's okay, because I want to really be intentional about crafting this apartment. Come back to see the next vlog. We're going to be building some things. We're gonna put our builder hat on. I'm gonna be in my builder era. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new here. Thumbs up this video as well. I'll see you guys in my next one.